Hi guys, welcome to another video of security. How to secure your instance. Uh, I have Mural LMS working and how I'm able to secure that one. I'm going to install the firewall. So I try starting this one, start firewall, but since it is not installed, that is why it is not starting. Okay, so you see it is not installed. So I will have to install first. So this is the install command, and this is absolutely free. Okay, so this is sudo dnf install firewall -y. Sorry. Yeah, it's installed now. And after installing, I just need to start for start. Now it will start. Yes, it is in. Now I can verify sudo status. So you see it's on 50. You see it's implies this one. It's 15. Important, don't lock yourself out. So before installing firewall rules, allow SSH. Okay. Allow it to access for model. So like this, you'll have to do. Okay, so already enabled. Success. Reload. And allow. So in my case, I have model instance, so I will have to allow param and this. So I need to allow all. HTTPS and reload. And alternatively, I can. You may not even need firewalls since we are on AWS Security Group already act as a firewall. This option security group of our things. So now security group and firewall both are enabled in my case, so it's more secure than the previous one. Okay, so this is all how you'll be able to secure your AWS instance. Thank you.